Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Group Ultra Modern 26 Construction Sendirian Berhad would like to present our project proposal. For the project, cadangan membina dan menyiapkan sebuah kompleks Islam di Ipoh, Perak Darul Rizwan. Our client is Majlis Agama Islam dan Adat Melayu Negeri Perak. These are the things that we will talk about in today's project proposal. The year of 2022 was a beginning journey and making a new step further to getting involved in big construction industry which focuses on building and civil works. With dedicated and innovative employees that have been hired, Ultra Modern 26 Construction Sendirian Berhad became one of the major names in the Bumi Putera contractor in Seri Iskandar, Perak. The building works such as renovating houses, offices, university, schools, halls, and others. Introduction of project. The primary focus of this project is to propose an Islamic complex at Jalan Raja Musa Aziz, Ipoh, Perak, which will offer residents in the area the comfort and facilities they need to perform their religious duties and other work-related activities. The Islamic complex can provide a variety of functions and facilities that will be made available to the entire neighborhood. The construction committee was thinking about the urgent need for space, especially during Friday and Eid prayers, such as Ramadan and Hajj, so that over 1,500 people in the area can peacefully and sincerely carry out their prayers. This is the proposed building SketchUp for our Islamic complex. These are the key plan and location plan, followed by the site plan. Feasibility studies. The Islamic complex is located near a recreation park, St. John's Ambulance Hall, a hospital, and the Office of Education. Project design concept. The design concept that we decided to go with for this Islamic complex are modern traditional concept, Islamic, modern, and traditional. Modern traditional inspires a sense of gathering in a casual way. This mix of traditional and modern design uses the design of a mosque in Malaysia as the main motif. This design strives to be eye-catching to both locals and foreigners alike. Thus, a mix of the two concepts were implemented. Project design planning, costing, and revenue. These are the summary of project costs, and these are the revenue. Here we can see the estimated revenue in a month, in a year, and for the 10 years to come. After the revenue, we move on to the list of material suppliers. In this table, we can see the supplier, the address and contact number, as well as the materials that were supplied. The proposed construction method, materials, technologies, services, and facilities. We will first talk about the method and technologies. The method and technologies used to build this Islamic complex are the Industrialized Building System, or IBS for short. We chose IBS because it is time-saving, it improves quality, reduces labor, reduces cost, and it has a flexible design. Second is computer software design. The softwares used are AutoCAD and SketchUp. We decided to use computer software design because it increases productivity, reduces errors, improves quality, enables information sharing, and it is easier to read. Conventional method. We chose conventional method because the connections are homogeneous with the rest of the frame. It is easily used for two-way structural systems. There is no need to pay for the crane on site, facilitate the work of building columns and beams, able to control the required quality. The technology used is green building technology. There are several technologies used in Islamic complex buildings, namely low-emitting materials, cool roofs, green insulation, and solar power. Services and facilities. In the Islamic complex, there will be a fully carpeted prayer hall complete with a mimbar and a space for the imam, as well as a portable partition wall to separate the men and the women. There will be 2 classrooms complete with furniture such as tables and chairs, as well as a whiteboard for class purposes. There will also be 3 offices inside the building. First is the director's office, assistant director's office, and the staff's office. There will also be a meeting room complete with furniture such as tables and chairs, as well as a PA system for meeting purposes. There is also a wudu area, prepared with seats to take wudu for those who have mobility issues. The wudu area is separated for the men and the women. Besides that, there is also a co-op, cafe, multipurpose hall, and 2 toilets that separate the men and the women. Outside of the Islamic complex, there is a parking area and a wheelchair ramp. We will now talk about the materials. The materials used for these buildings are clay building block, BRC steel reinforcement, ceramic floor tiles, pebble wash, Portland cement, stainless steel pipe, damp-proof membrane, and ceiling plaster. Proposed architectural design and detailed drawings. These are the ground plan, first floor plan, the roof plan, front elevation, rear elevation, left and right elevation. Finally, the appendixes which shows all of our certificates.